Let's practice identifying patterns in a series of dominoes. Write the number of the domino that completes the pattern. First, we need to look at the patterns of dominoes. One domino is divided into two parts. The first domino has one dot on the top and another dot on the bottom. The second domino has three dots on the top and one on the bottom. The third has one dot on top and two on the bottom. There seems to be no pattern between the top and the bottom. How about we look at just the top half of the dominoes? 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Aha! It repeats, one dot and three dots. So the next domino has to have one dot on the top. Next, let's find out the pattern on the bottom halves. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Aha! Each number is repeated twice and then increases by 1. The next domino will have 4 dots on the bottom. So the answer is number 3. Let's try with another domino set. Draw the correct number of dots on the domino to complete the pattern. This time, the dominoes are divided into left and right. First, let's look at the right side. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. 1 and 4 are repeated regularly. How about the left side? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Aha! The number increases by 1. Draw 4 dots to complete the pattern. This time, the dominoes look a little bit different. Can you recognize any patterns in these dominoes? Looking at the first part of each domino, we see 1, 2, 4, 6. It is hard to find a pattern here. The second parts are 2, 4, 6, 3. No particular pattern here either. Wait, the sides where the dominoes touch have the same number. The first domino ends with 2, and the next one starts with 2. That one ends with 4, then the next domino starts with 4. That ends with 6, and the next begins with 6. Aha! There is a pattern between the dots on the halves of the dominoes that are touching each other. So the domino we are looking for starts with 3 dots like the end of the one before. And it has 2 dots on the end, just like the next domino. So the answer is number 2. Great work!